Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, the public. This morning, I want to present to you, first and foremost, the name of my company is Choosman Construction and Development Company Limited. We are primarily into building construction services. Today, I want to present to you some of the architectural drawings and structures we have in stock in my company for you. And some of them are duplex, while some are bungalows. I want you to take time and go through each and every one of them. If there is any one that you love that is entering your eye, you can contact my company, Choosman Construction and Development Company Limited, and we will negotiate with you and hand over the drawing to you. And not only that, if you want us also to build it for you, we will as well build it for you. We will give you one of the best construction service you have ever seen. I want you to go through it, each and every one of them. And not only that, we are designing these structures, we also build and we manage. We are also into management and land agency and so many other services that we render to our clients and to the public. Please do well to contact us. Do well to contact us if you love what you are seeing or the structures that are displayed